Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that touches everyone. How to start Forex trading for beginners. Forex trading, also known as foreign exchange trading, is the buying and selling of currencies on the financial market. It is one of the largest and most liquid markets in the world, with trillions of dollars traded daily. Forex trading is essential in the global economy as it facilitates international trade and investments by enabling currency conversion. The Forex market plays a vital role in the global economy. It's not just for traders and financial institutions. It's crucial for businesses and individuals involved in international transactions. Whether it's for purchasing goods from another country, traveling abroad, or investing in foreign markets. Forex trading makes these activities possible by determining exchange rates. This video is here to guide you. So, let's jump right in. Number 1. Understanding the basics of Forex trading. Currency pairs. Forex trading involves the simultaneous buying of one currency and selling of another. These are represented as currency pairs, like EUR, USD or USD, JPY. The first currency listed, EUR, USD, is the base currency. And the second, USD in EUR, USD, is the quote currency. The price of a currency pair represents how much of the quoted currency is needed to buy one unit of the base currency. How do Forex markets operate? The Forex market is decentralized and operates through a network of banks, brokers, and financial institutions rather than a central exchange. It's open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, due to the global nature of the market and different time zones. This allows traders to respond to currency fluctuations caused by economic, political, and social events as they happen. Forex market hours. Forex market hours are typically divided into 4 major trading sessions: Sydney, Tokyo, London, and New York. These sessions overlap at certain times, making them particularly volatile due to increased trading activity. Understanding these hours is crucial for traders to know when to execute trades and when the market is most liquid. Understanding leverage in Forex. Leverage in Forex allows traders to control a larger position with a smaller amount of capital. It's expressed as a ratio, such as 50-to-1, meaning you can control a position of $50 with every $1 in your account. While leverage can magnify profits, it also increases the potential for significant losses, making risk management crucial. Risks and rewards. Forex trading offers profit potential, but it comes with high risk. Market volatility can lead to large gains, as well as substantial losses. Understanding and managing these risks is crucial for successful Forex trading. Number 2. Getting started with Forex trading. Setting trading goals. Before starting, it's essential to define what you want to achieve through Forex trading. Whether it's generating a steady income, exploring a new hobby, or professional trading, your goals will determine your trading style, risk tolerance, and learning path. Right Forex broker. A reliable broker is crucial for successful trading. Factors to consider include regulation, ensuring the broker is regulated by a reputable authority. Trading platforms offered fees and spreads, customer support, and educational resources. Forex trading account. To start trading, you'll need to open an account with a Forex broker. This involves providing personal information, verifying your identity, and sometimes, a minimum deposit. Different types of accounts cater to various levels of experience and capital, from micro accounts to standard and VIP accounts. Demo accounts. Most brokers offer demo accounts, which allow beginners to practice trading with virtual money. This is an excellent way to learn how to use trading platforms, test strategies, and gain confidence without risking actual capital. Number 3. Educational resources for Forex trading. Books and online courses. There are numerous books and online courses available for beginners in Forex trading. They cover topics ranging from the basics of Forex markets to advanced trading strategies and risk management. Webinars and workshops. Many brokers and financial experts host webinars and workshops, offering live interactions and more personalized learning experiences. These can be invaluable for understanding current market trends and getting expert insights. Community forums. Joining Forex trading communities and forums can provide support, insights, and advice from more experienced traders. It's also a great way to stay updated with market news and strategies. Number 4. Analyzing the market. Fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis involves evaluating economic indicators and events that affect the value of currencies. Key indicators include GDP growth, employment figures, inflation rates, and central bank policies. Traders use this data to make informed decisions about the future direction of currency pairs. Technical analysis. Technical analysis relies on studying price charts and patterns to predict future price movements. Common tools used in technical analysis include candlestick charts, moving averages, and trend lines. Traders use these tools to identify entry and exit points for their trades. Sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis gauges the overall mood of the market. Traders assess factors like news sentiment, market positioning, and social media sentiment to understand how other traders perceive the market. It helps in identifying potential market reversals or trends. Number 5. Developing a trading strategy. Trading styles: scalping, day trading, swing trading, position trading. Traders can choose from various trading styles, each with its own time horizon and risk profile. Scalpers aim to make quick, small profits, while day traders close their positions within a day. Swing traders hold positions for several days, and position traders have longer-term perspectives. Choosing the right style depends on your personality and availability. Risk management techniques. Risk management is crucial in Forex trading to protect your capital. Techniques include setting stop-loss orders to limit potential losses, sizing your positions appropriately, and diversifying your portfolio. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. Importance of a trading plan. A trading plan outlines your strategy, risk tolerance, and goals. It serves as a roadmap for your trading activities, helping you stay disciplined and avoid impulsive decisions. A well-defined plan is essential for consistency and success in Forex trading. Number 6. Trading psychology. Discipline. Controlling emotions like fear and greed is one of the biggest challenges in Forex trading. Discipline and emotional control is essential to stick to your trading plan and make rational decisions, even in high-pressure situations. Dealing with losses. Losses are part of trading, and it's crucial to learn how to cope with them. Successful traders view losses as learning opportunities and do not let them affect their confidence or decision-making. Patience and persistence. Forex trading is a journey that requires patience and persistence. Success does not come overnight, and it's essential to keep learning, adapting, and refining your strategies over time. Consistency and perseverance are key to long-term success. Number 7. Advanced trading tools and techniques. Automated trading systems. It often referred to as trading robots or expert advisors, EAs, which use algorithms to execute trades on behalf of traders. These systems can be programmed to follow specific strategies and execute trades automatically. While they can be powerful tools, it's essential to thoroughly understand how they work and monitor them to prevent unexpected losses. Forex signals. Forex signals are trade recommendations provided by experienced traders or signal providers. These signals can be based on technical or fundamental analysis and are delivered via email, SMS, or trading platforms. Traders can subscribe to signal services to receive trade ideas, but it's crucial to evaluate the reliability of the signal provider. Social trading platforms. Copy trading platforms allow beginners to replicate the trades of experienced traders automatically. Social trading platforms provide a space for traders to share their strategies, insights, and trading activities. These platforms can be valuable for learning from experienced traders and implementing their strategies. Number 8. Staying informed and adapting to market changes. Economic news and reports. News and reports, such as interest rate decisions, employment data, and geopolitical events, can have a significant impact on currency prices. Staying informed about upcoming events and their potential effects on the market is crucial for making informed trading decisions. Continual learning. The Forex market is dynamic and constantly evolving. Successful traders are committed to continuous learning and adaptation. They stay updated with the latest market trends, strategies, and technological advancements to remain competitive. Professional networks. Participating in professional Forex trading networks, both online and offline, can provide valuable insights and networking opportunities. Forums, seminars, and conferences allow traders to exchange ideas and learn from industry experts. Number 9. Risks and legal aspects. Legalities in your region. Forex trading regulations vary from country to country. Beginners must understand the legal requirements and regulations in their region. This includes registering with appropriate authorities, complying with tax laws, and adhering to financial regulations. Avoiding scams. The Forex industry has its share of scams and fraudulent brokers. Beginners should be cautious and conduct thorough research before choosing a broker. Look for brokers with a solid reputation, regulatory compliance, and transparent fee structures. Risk disclosure. Forex brokers are typically required to provide risk disclosure statements to their clients. These documents outline the risks associated with Forex trading, including the potential for significant losses. Beginners should read and understand these disclosures before starting to trade. Success in Forex trading is attainable with the right education, mindset, and dedication. Thank you for joining me today. Keep learning, keep growing, and until next time, take care and stay financially empowered. Embrace it.